Channel, and today we are going to do a quick go-to makeup tutorial. So this tutorial is just very quick and simple, just what it says. Go-to makeup look, like go to the store, go to the restaurant, go to the movies, go to the park, and the go-to whatever. So
I'm sliding.
What?
I'm sliding.
So I don't have any much stuff because I'm not a big makeup fanatic, so I'm just gonna be showing you how I do my quick makeup look. Okay? Is that funny?
Yes.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm doing this. Okay, now let's start with the eyebrows. Nagparayig ni siya, guys, kaya gusto siya mo apel, pero rin ako pa-apelon. Gusto niya siya mo apel, pero di mo na pa-apelon siya. Ato lang binuangan. Dali. Gusto po niya ma-pretty siya. So, atong drawing ang eyebrows. Okay. Oh. Then, sa mata. Chung. Mana. Then, lipstick. Lipstick sa batang biba. Hello! Hala, ka-pretty na niya. Uy. Okay, that's good.
Do it again.
That's all. And a little bit of blush. Okay. That's good. You're pretty now. Come on, it's mommy's turn. Now. I'm just filling in my eyebrows. Para ma-enhance atong kilay gamay, what I usually do is I put just like a powder underneath the eyebrows. I put a powder just like that. See, and just blend that in. Just so I do my simple. Then after this, I'd like to put a little bit of glitter na eyeshadow. Just this one. Neutral lang siya nga pagka-color. This one. Para sa ubos-ubos lang siya sa eyebrow. Ayan. Then, cast other side too. Then, I wanna achieve yung pangkuan ba, murag Korean style ba. So, gusto ko a little red sa eyeshadow. Na to. Ay pagka pink na red, something like that. So, other side. Glittery eyeshadow. I don't know why, but I like glitters when it comes to the eye. Then, next is our blush. First that. Butang-butang lang tagamang pula-pula dari. Ganahan ko akong blush dari dapit para mura siya natural. Gini na aja dari salingin sa imong aping. Mura tag isumbag ana. So, gusto na ako natural lang siya style. Pagka natural na kuan. Natural na pagka-blush. Yan. Drag lang na. Drag. Anak, para mura tag mistisa ko na ba? Para mura po tag mistisa. Mistisang hilaw. Pula na ba? Mana? Wah, dayon. Ato lang na siyang brushan. Glitter na po sa to ang blush. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush. Gusto niya natural lang. So natural na ito malit. Kuan mali man. Red. Di man sa pink. So, mo ni siya, guys. Mo ni akong quick go-to makeup look. So, ouch.
Now that's what can.
Let me see if Mama, guwapa na ba si Mama?
Now this.
You want that too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I swear, that is just too bad.
Let's see if Mama is pretty na.
Easy peasy. I'm ugly when I go and try with
Okay, be quiet, be quiet. Enhance lang, dili super, you know, full coverage. Come here.
That's the old lipstick.
Okay.
Now I'm pretty.
And we're pretty. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.
No. I need to do that too.
No, I'm done.